Money is one of the biggest sources of stress in life. Not because money is complicated, but because people make it complicated. J.L. Collins wrote The Simple Path to Wealth for one simple reason: to show that building wealth does not require genius, luck, or constant stress. It requires clarity. Most people think investing means watching markets every day, timing stocks, or listening to experts on TV. J.L. Collins says, that's exactly how people lose money. The real goal of money is not luxury. The real goal is freedom. Freedom to choose your time. Freedom to walk away from toxic jobs. Freedom to live life on your own terms. And that freedom begins with understanding one simple truth: your behavior matters more than your intelligence. J.L. Collins explains that the market goes up and down, always has, always will. But people panic. They sell when the market crashes. They buy when the market is expensive. Smart investing means doing the opposite of emotions. Instead of chasing hot stocks, J.L. Collins focuses on ownership. When you invest in the total stock market, you are not gambling. You are owning pieces of real businesses that produce real value. That's why he strongly believes in index funds. Index funds are boring. And boring is powerful. They don't try to beat the market. They are the market. Most professional investors fail to beat the market long-term. So J.L. Collins asks a simple question: if experts can't win consistently, why should you try? This is why simplicity wins. Another powerful idea in the book is avoiding unnecessary debt. Debt takes away freedom. When you owe money, someone else controls your future income. J.L. Collins makes a clear exception for one thing: a reasonable home, bought wisely, not emotionally. Everything else? Debt keeps you trapped. Wealth grows fastest when expenses are controlled. Not through deprivation, but through intentional living. Spending money on things you don't care about steals money from things you do care about. Saving is not about sacrifice. Saving is about choice. J.L. Collins emphasizes that the most important number in your life is not your salary. It's your savings rate. A high income with low savings keeps you stuck. A moderate income with high savings builds freedom faster than you think. He also talks about fear, especially fear of market crashes. Crashes feel scary, but they are normal. They are not signals to run away. They are opportunities to stay calm. History shows one clear lesson: markets recover. Boys. Those who stay invested win. Those who panic lose. J.L. Collins reminds us that wealth is built slowly, quietly, and patiently. There are no shortcuts. If you want fast money, you accept fast losses. If you want lasting wealth, you accept time. The book teaches that money should work for you, not the other way around. Your life should not revolve around money. Money should support your life. True wealth is not about impressing others. It's about sleeping peacefully at night. And the simple path works because it removes complexity, emotion, and ego. You don't need to predict the future. You don't need constant action. You need consistency. Build assets. Avoid unnecessary debt. Invest simply. Stay the course. That's the simple path to wealth.
If this video helped you think differently about money, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Book Life. Share this video with your friends and family, especially those who feel stressed about money or the future. More life-changing book summaries are coming your way, so stay connected and keep growing.